Welcome to another RMS support tutorial. Today we will discuss how to add and complete a transmittal. The transmittal log maintains the record of submittals created and their statuses. All submittals must be made using a transmittal form or ENG form 4025 generated in RMS3. See specific section 013300 submittal procedures or equivalent for a detailed explanation of the submittal process and requirements. For this demonstration, I've already logged in and selected the prime contractor from the prime contractor list. Note, we are using contractor mode for this video as shown by the gold tiles at the top. Now from here, click on the contract. From the contract menu, click on the Submittals tab, and then click on the Transmittal Log module. We begin in the Draft Transmittal sections. We can view the different transmittals by clicking the blue tiles at the top. We can see the transmittals in pending government receipt, transmittals in review, pending contractor acknowledgement, and completed transmittals for this particular contract. To add a transmittal, you must be in the Draft Transmittal section, then click the Add button. From here, select the specific section for your transmittal and click Next. Now select the submittal items you would like to be included into your transmittal and click Next. From here, you can assign transmittal numbers for a new transmittal by adding the transmittal prefix here or transmittal extension. Once added and completed, click Finish. Now we have our draft transmittal. At the top, we have our submittal items that we added or included on our transmittal. We can edit the number of copies, the classification, the QC code, as well as add any attachments by clicking the Attachments button. For this demonstration, we do not need to add any other additional documents, so click the Back button.
The variation checkbox is used for when a particular submittal changes from its original state. A quality control manager should have reviewed the submittal and its inclusion on the transmittal, ensuring that the item conforms to the contract.
You can also add contractor remarks to the government in this section here. You may also run the 4025 report using the 4025 report button at the top. This will run the current data on the transmittal report. As we can see, our 4025 has been updated with the current information on our draft transmittal. To complete a transmittal, you can select the two options to either manually attach a signed 4025 or create and digitally sign a 4025. Note, it is at the discretion of the government to either manually attach a 4025 or to create and digitally sign one. For example, if the government decides to digitally sign, then the contractor
decision to either manually or digitally sign will be based on the government's suggestion. Please reach out to your government representative to establish a common signing option.
In this demonstration, we will create and digitally sign our 4025 by clicking the Create and Digitally Sign the 4025 button at the bottom. Generating and digitally signing the 4025 will complete the data entry portion and will be considered read-only unless returned by the government. Click Yes. Enter your password or your PIN, then click Sign. Now we see our 4025 has been created and it has generated a document package with our signed 4025. If we click the Back button, we can now see that our draft transmittal has been moved to pending government receipt, where the government will now receive and review this transmittal. In summary, we covered the overview of a transmittal log and how to complete and add a transmittal. We hope you found this information helpful, and thank you for watching.